Hello everyone, we meet again on part 3 of our learning, that is, what is environmental performance evaluation. Let's go.
In this part we will discuss about introduction of EPE, that is general information of EPE plan, then we will go through to the characteristics of EPE indicators, that is understanding relationship between different measures of performance, selecting management performance indicator, MPIs, selecting performance operation indicators, OPIs, selecting environment condition indicator, and selecting sector-specific operational performance indicator for comparison.
Now let's go to our first part, that is introduction of environmental performance evaluation plan. Key performance indicators, KPIs, help to convert relevant data and information to influence the environmental performance, its operations, or the condition of the environment. Choice of indicators for EPE will determine what data should be used. Select relevant indicators is to evaluate environmental performance and reflect the nature and scale of environmental impacts. All organizations has EPE or not should plan EPE in conjunction with setting of its environmental performance goal. Now let's go through to characteristics of EPE indicators. First characteristic is understanding relationship between different measures of performance. Organization find cost-effective to select indicators. Indicators EPE selected for management has information and understand the effect of environmental performance objective. To ensure information on different aspect of such an indication can ease to extracted and communicated to audience.
The next one is selecting management performance indicator or MPIs. The first characteristics of MPIs is provide information about management efforts to influence the environmental performance of the organization's operations. The second point of the characteristics is MPIs always relate to the policy, people, practices, procedures, decisions and actions at all levels of the organization. The last one is, actions and management decisions to improve environmental performance should be evaluated and assisted by MPI. Next, as for selecting operation performance indicator, the first one is OPIs must provides information about environmental performance of the operations of the organization. Second, OPIs should be related to the design, operation, and maintenance of the organization's physical facilities and equipment. Last one, OPIs are divided into mass and energy indicators is taken from the input-output analysis.
Selecting environment condition indicators, ECIs. ECIs are not a direct indicator of environmental effect. ECIs help the business identify and manage its most important environmental characteristics by providing a setting in which to do so. ECIs give information regarding environmental conditions in the local, regional, national, and global contexts. Using ECIs, organizations may learn about the environmental impacts of their operations, goods, and services. Selecting sector-specific operational performance indicators for comparison. Organizational performance indicators, OPIs, are often described in terms of the amount of time it takes to accomplish a certain task. The environmental efficiency of specific operations within a process or product can be evaluated. The whole life cycle of a product must be taken into account when comparing environmental impacts. Comparing the performance of different organizations using OPIs does not directly compare their environmental elements.